morning, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Jillian.
And we're the Cruising Sisters, and welcome to day 7, our final day on Anthem of the Seas.
Today is our final day at sea, so we decided to sleep in a little bit. We woke up at 9:30 and we headed down to the main dining room for breakfast.
We have kind of tried to make it there all week. We do really enjoy the main dining room. However, on port days and some sea days, I feel like it closes so early, and it's a little bit more convenient just to go straight to the Windjammer and get your food. However, today was so worth it. Amazing. I ordered the egg white omelet, Jillian ordered the breakfast burrito, and then we split the French toast.
Oh my gosh,
so
good.
Amazing. And the service was, we were in and out within a half an hour. So highly recommend if you want to try something different. I mean, the Windjammer is a little bit easier to just get your food and go, but if you have the time, like on a sea day, and I guess it's a gloomy sea day for us, definitely check out the main dining room.
Yeah, it was amazing. So now our plan is to go up to the top deck, walk around a little bit, work off some of this food because we're both so full, and see what we can get up to.
Today's sea day is a little bit different than our usual sea days. We are almost back to Bayonne, New Jersey, so it means it's getting quite cold. So our activities will be mostly indoors, maybe bundle up and hang out on our balcony. We will see what we get up to, and of course we will bring you along with us on our final day on Anthem of the Seas. And if you are new here, please make sure you like and subscribe because we have so much cruise content that we have already posted and so much more coming. We actually have a cruise in less than a month on our brand new ship and a brand new cruise line for us, and it's a transatlantic, so it's a first of many. Be sure to subscribe because that one will be a good one, and it helps out our channel so much. So thank you so much for being here, and let's go ahead with our final day on Anthem of the Seas.
We need a coffee. It's 1:30 and we have a 2-hour show to get through. So coffee time it is. Just finished up the Will Rock You show, which was amazing. Just as good as the first time as I remember it last year. It was a full 2 hours, and it was the matinee. It was at 2 p.m. and it was still packed. It was a perfect day activity for a cold day at sea. So we absolutely loved it. We're now gonna head on up to the Seaplex because it's bumper cars. We've gone a couple times and the line has been wrapped around the Seaplex, so we're going even earlier than the start time to hopefully be at the front. We'll see, we'll let you know how that goes. Off to bumper cars. We are currently in the Seaplex for bumper cars. We are all done getting ready for our very last night on board. This is always so sad. Our room looks like a tornado went through it because we have things everywhere. We're in the middle of packing, and it's kind of like that weird time where you still need clothes, but you need to start packing because you leave in the morning. But we kind of have a show that we are rushing to. So we just wanted to update you quickly about how our day went. We had a nice day relaxing.
Yeah. But we also had a matinee show at 2 p.m. which was 2 hours long. That was the We Will Rock You show that we talked about earlier.
Yes, so great.
And we are so happy that we went to that. After that, we went up to bumper cars. That was our first time doing bumper cars on the ship, and it was actually so much fun.
So much fun. However, at least a half an hour of waiting minimum, and we were there early for about 3 minutes of riding. Yes. So if you were to do bumper cars, well, we highly recommend doing bumper cars, but maybe if you're not getting off at a port day would be best, or go early so then you're only waiting the half an hour, not, it could be up to an hour. It's a lot of fun, but you got to time it out. If you have lots of time, then you can wait in line.
Yeah. So after bumper cars, which was so much fun, we headed down to the Diamond Lounge as per usual. Of course. So we made it there all 7 nights of the cruise, and we just had a few little snacks before heading up to get ready and pack up a little bit.
Yeah.
So
we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go to the farewell show, and then we have dinner, and then I guess back up to pack, and then to the club. Yeah, we will see how it goes.
Yeah. We do have to go finish up taking our pictures, so if you are a diamond, you each get one free 8x11, I believe, picture. So I have to quickly change because we're trying to coordinate our outfits. And then we're off.
Yes.
Hi, thank you. We have made it to our, as the menu says, Bon Voyage dinner. That's pretty sad. They don't need to remind us anymore, but clearly that's all they've been doing all day. I haven't taken a look at the menu yet, so I'll have to let you know what we decide later. Bye!
I am trying the French onion soup tonight, and Rachel got the Mediterranean.
They look, this is new to me. They have had this salad before, which they didn't offer this cruise, but this looks awesome.
I didn't order a main course, I just got the Mediterranean tapas as well, and Rachel's main course is the Mediterranean steak.
Yes, yeah, looks awesome. Good. This is called a dark chocolate brownie. Taste test.
Was this one of the desserts that was on the old menus?
I don't remember, but it's delicious.
Thank you. And I got the same.
Pizza.
We just got some water.
Just had some water. We're calling it quite early. It is 11:28. We're gonna go back up to the room, pack up a bit, and we're going to bed early. The last night's always pretty slow.
We have an early morning tomorrow, so we're gonna get some sleep. The quietness of the last night.
It's always so sad, but everything is so quiet on the last night because people have long travel days tomorrow, so most go to bed quite early, including us.
Included.
Yeah.
It's either really quiet on the last night or a crazy party, and this cruise looks like it's a quiet one, so off to bed we go. What a great cruise.
It's an early one for us, but it's night number 7, so our final night. We're also exhausted. It's been a very busy cruise full of activities and entertainment and tons of food. This night was a quiet one. It is to be expected on the last night, and we're not complaining. We have an early wake-up call tomorrow just so we can get on the road and get home as soon as possible. So we are calling it early, have a little bit last-minute packing to do, but that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe. If you followed us along, this entire time with all of our Anthem of the Seas vlogs. Please let us know in the comments below and let us know what your favorite one was. We had so much fun filming this. We are loving sharing all of our cruising experiences, and we're not going to stop anytime soon. Our next one is just under 5 weeks away, and we are so excited for many new experiences on a cruise ship. So make sure you are subscribed to follow along with us through all of our cruising experience. And we will see you in the next vlog, whenever that may be. Bye.